guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Star Flames. In this video, we're gonna talk about Tyrese Gibson ordered to pay $636,000 in child support and legal fees to his ex-wife, Samantha Lee Gibson. If you guys remember, it was on Sunday that I had shared a video with you guys saying that Tyrese Gibson was asking the media bloggers to show up at the courthouse on Tuesday because he says that Kevin Farmer, the judge presiding over the case, is not following the legal guidelines to determine how much he has to pay for child support. Tyrese is saying that the judge asked him how much is he currently paying for his eldest child. When he told the judge the amount, the judge ordered him to pay the same amount for the youngest child. And he's saying that it's not fair because, the youngest child lives in the state of Georgia, I believe he said, and the cost of living there is less. And not just that, the judge should be using, certain things to determine how much he should pay. And the judge did not do that. Not just that, Tyrese Gibson also accused the judge of being racist and calling his ex-wife Samantha and their daughter a bitch. Well, today, the judge was not having it with Mr. Tyrese Gibson because while he was on the stand, he was being asked a question. Tyrese, appeared to be a bit condescending. Also, he refrained a bit from answering the question, and the judge was not having it. The judge put him in his place and told him that if he doesn't answer and be respectful, he would be held in contempt of court. Now, Tyrese says, definitely, lost the case and he has to pay over to his wife. Now, he has been ordered to pay the ex-wife $250,000 plus $400,000 to her attorney, and then $10,000 monthly for the child's child support. So we know that Tyrese might be going on a rant soon, or he might just be having a tough time with this amount because he's saying that a part of his prenup agreement was that should the wife seek legal counsel to get anything that is not included in the prenup, she would have to be responsible for her legal fees. But the mere fact that the judge has awarded her the legal fees, Tyrese has to pay the legal fees. It's given the sense that there was something else included in the prenup that is not available to us. So Tyrese definitely lost out there. Now, there were a few people at the courthouse to support him, but with celebrities, right? They don't pay the average amount for child support because their kids, have to keep up with a certain lifestyle. And not just that, based on how much Tyrese earns, he has to pay that child support. I remember one part of the court case wherein he was asked how much money he earned for a particular year. He said that he was out of a job. So the judge is saying to him, no, the lawyer, Samantha's lawyer, said to him, you could not be out of a job because that year it showed that you, I believe, earned over $2 million or in earnings, and he paid taxes. So from the taxes that he had paid, they discovered that he got at least $2 million that year. So that year that he was declining or refusing to pay, he had to pay up because there was evidence that he was getting a check even though he said that he wasn't. But I mean, I believe that sometimes Tyrese needs to just do the right thing, even if it pains him a little bit. Just do the right thing, get it over with, and move on. He still seems somewhat a bit bitter towards his ex-wife because he's saying that they were at a good place and she just got upped and left him. But even if that's the case for whatever reason, he needs to respect her wishes and allow her to move on peacefully, gracefully, and just co-parent in peace. And that's all I want to share in this video with you guys. Let me know what your thoughts are about Tyrese Gibson being ordered to pay his ex-wife Samantha Lee Gibson $636,000. That includes child support and legal fees. Listen, that's just a shy away from $1 million. That girl is lucky. That's all I have to say. But I want to hear from you guys. While you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up and we'll talk in my next video. Bye, guys.